Welcome aboard, young adventurers. Get ready to soar through the skies and explore the exciting world of air vehicles learning for kids. In this captivating video, we'll embark on a thrilling journey filled with knowledge, fun, and endless possibilities. Buckle up and prepare to have your imaginations take flight. Airplane. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. Glider. Jet fighter. Blimp. Drone. Hang glider. Paraglider. Airship. Space shuttle. Rocket. Seaplane. Biplane. Quadcopter. Passenger plane. Cargo plane. Military plane. Fighter jet. Bomber. Transport plane. Private jet. Regional jet. Amphibious plane. Air ambulance. Air freighter. Military helicopter. As our adventure comes to a close, we hope you've enjoyed this immersive experience in the realm of air vehicles learning for kids. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity.